What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. As promised on Facebook, I'll post a video on pull-ups, how to improve them, standards I'm looking for, and give you a couple of tips. So the standard, I'll go for the standards first. The standards they're looking for: feet together, nice and strict, straight arms, pull up, chin over the bar, pause, and then back down. So I'll show you now what one looks like. So as you've seen there, feet together, nice and straight, no swinging, hands, palms facing away, nice and strict, pulling in, pause over the top, and then lower. A couple of ways to improve your pull-ups. You've got ring rows. I don't know if you've got a set of rings. I'll show you a couple of ring rows after. On the pull-up bar, you've got jumping pull-ups. So basically you're going to jump up, so that's a jumping pull-up. So basically you're going to have the pull-up bar, you're going to jump as high as you can, finish that pull, hold yourself for a second, squeezing your lats and shoulder blades together, and you're going to come down as slow as possible. So you're working that negative movement, and that's going to build strength. If you have got pull-ups, so that's a way to get pull-ups and building strength. Even if you've got loads of pull-ups, you can do 10 plus, 15 plus. That's still a good way just to train the strength. Like I said again, you also got pauses. So do a pull-up, hold yourself there for 30 seconds or as long as you can, come down, jump up, and just try and accumulate as much time as you can, holding yourself in those positions. It's all about time and attention. So the more time you spend in those positions, the stronger you're going to get. Bodybuilding ways. So you've got lat pull downs, stuff like that, just to build strength. You can do all the bent over rows, lat pull downs as accessory work, but to get a pull up, just do pull ups. Another way is if you've got a pull up bar at home, so one's on the door frame or hangs on your door. How I used to train them is basically every time you walk past the door where the pull up bar was, you would do 5 pull ups. So every time you walk past throughout the day, you do 5 pull-ups or however many you can do. And over the day, you're going to build that volume. So say you walk past that door like 15 times in a day. Every time you walk past, you've done 5 pull-ups. By the end of the day, that's going to be a huge amount of pull-ups. So that again is just building the volume throughout the day. You won't realise you've done that many pull-ups, instead of just doing max effort and then being blowing out and can't even do 1. So if you do small sets for the day, that's a good way. That also leads on to press-ups as well. You can also do that press-ups. I used to do it watching TV. So I'd watch TV, and as an advert would come on, I'd either do like 20 press-ups or pull-ups, sit down, watch more TV, advert come on, more pull-ups. And then again, watching TV for an hour, you could have done 20 pull-ups just watching TV for an hour. So they're just different ways to improve your pull-ups. So ring rows, basically exactly the same. You're going to hang on a set of rings and you're just going to pull up and hold your weight. So the higher you are standing up, the easier it is, and the flatter you go, the harder. And if you can go flat, you can raise your feet onto a box then and do ring rows. It's just going to build that pulling strength in your back, and that'll lead towards pull-ups. Hopefully you've seen that, but basically you get 2 rings, shoulder width apart, hanging there, nice straight, keep squeezing your core, squeeze your glutes so you're nice and straight, pulling yourself up. You can pause for 2 seconds and lower. You can play around with that, and then again you've got pull-ups as well. So hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, post them below, and I'll try and answer them best, and I'll try and get a video up every week now in the gym or outside if you want to. Okay, cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.